Mr. Das, you heard what ADELBERT just said. It is his constituency, and of course, it's very sad for him. He is the local MLA from that constituency. I don't have to reiterate everything but one thing he said, the police has done their job, but it's still not enough. Before I ask you a question, I want you to answer what he just said. It's not enough.
Sir, actually, thank you very much, first of all, for calling me in this panel. So, first of all, let me come to the legal aspect. The legal aspect, in the year 1956, Indian Legal Forum has come out with an act which is known as Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. So we were acting as per that act to control pimps, sex workers and whosoever is involved in such kind of activities. But in the year 2012, Supreme Court has come out with a judgment which is known as Buddhadev Karmaskar versus State of West Bengal. In that judgment, Supreme Court has given certain guidelines to be followed for taking action against sex workers. Now we are stuck up with immoral trafficking only.
Okay.
Our duty is focused only in preventing immoral trafficking. And as per the judgment, Supreme Court has said sex working is itself a work, and sex workers should be given privilege of section of Article 21 of the Fundamental Right. Article 21 basically it speaks about right to life and dignity. So basically, if we go to the spirit of that particular judgment, we cannot touch the sex workers.
Exactly.
But nevertheless, whatever sir has said, we have to focus on the pimps, the brothel owners or the hotel owners who are involved in such kind of activities.